Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain about Cypress selector tools. We have two selector tools to identify the effective selectors. First one is Renorex Velocity. It's a Chrome extension. Next, we will use XPath to identify the element in the document of your web page. First, we are going to see about the Renorex Velocity. Go to Chrome and search for Renorex Velocity and install the Chrome extension in your Chrome browser. I have already installed the extension in my Chrome. Next, I'm going to open the WebDriver University. So here, if I'm going to inspect means it will show the normal developer tools. So if we go here and if we check, we can see the Renorex Velocity. So it will give this kind of UI. So first I'm going to close this one and scroll up here. So I want to select the first name. So the first name. So again I'm going to inspect. Here we can see the element here. Here now we get to know this element is an input and we have an attribute name, and here we can see the name is first name. So if we give first name and if we enter, you can see here the dotted line. So you can identify that this particular property, the attribute directly navigating or pointing to this particular element. In another way, you can go to the input element, selector action. Here you can copy the CSS. And I'm going to open the Word. So here I'm going to paste the CSS which we have copied. So here I'm going to copy the CSS and directly going to the particular inputs. So I'm going to provide the copied one, and you can see here. If I'm going to click enter means here also you can see the dotted lines which is highlighting this particular elements. Next we are going to use the XPath. First of all, we have to know what is XPath. XPath is used to navigate through elements and attributes in an XML document in your web page. So we can find the syntax here. These are the most important syntax which you have to know in the XPath. So single slash means it will find the element from the root. If it is a double slash means it will fetch the content which is present anywhere in the document or web page. This dot is used to represent the current node, and double dot is used to represent the parent of the current node. So this at is used to select the attribute. Again, go to the WebDriver University here, and I'm going to remove the CSS from here. First, I'm going to provide double slash. So we are going to select the form elements. So the form element is present inside a div tag. Already here we have seen if the elements is present inside the node or tag, we have to provide the double slash so we can fetch all over the web page. So double slash form and slash. So inside this form we have the input So this slash will represent inside form. We need to select input. Input square bracket at is used to indicate the attribute name and value of the attribute slash enter. So enter. Again, the first input has been selected. You can see the highlighted dots in the first name input only. So in this way, we have to use selectors by using Renorex, Velocity and XPath. So both Renorex, Velocity and XPath used to navigate to the particular element in the node. Both Renorex, Velocity and XPath is used to navigate to the particular node in our web page. We can use both. So Renorex Velocity is a Chrome extension to identify the XPath and the selector in easy way, but you should have the knowledge how the selectors is selected and XPath is selected. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.